Lost important data from your iPhone and don't have a backup? No worries, MagFone iPhone data recovery can help. To start, launch the program and from the main interface, select iPhone or iPad data recovery. Then, connect your iPhone or iPad to the computer using a USB cable and make sure to unlock your device. Once the software detects your device, simply choose it and select the type of data you'd like to scan for. You can pick specific categories or click Select All to scan for everything recoverable. After that, click Scan to let MagFone perform a deep scan of your device's internal storage. Remember to keep your device connected and unlocked throughout the process. When the scan is complete, you can preview all recoverable data organized into categories like photos, messages, videos, contacts, and WhatsApp. You can browse each tab to view the items, then select the exact files you want and click Recover to PC to save them securely to your computer. Now, if you prefer to recover from an iTunes backup, just choose Recover Data from iTunes on the main screen. The software will automatically show all available iTunes backups on your computer. If none appear, you can click the refresh button to scan again. All backups are listed by their creation date. Select the one you need and click Scan. Once the scan finishes, your data will again be sorted into clear categories. Browse through, select what you need, and click Recover to PC to export it. Finally, for iCloud recovery, select Recover Data from iCloud. You'll then sign in securely with your Apple ID and password. It's recommended not to connect your iPhone during this step. After logging in, MagFone will display all backups from your iCloud account. Once the scan is done, preview your files by category, select the data you need, and hit Recover to PC to save everything to your computer in seconds. Ready to restore your lost memories? I've included the official MagFone website link in the description for you. Click to purchase. Fill in your details. And if you have a discount code, simply enter it during checkout.